15 NATO and 2 partner nations are participating in the 44th iteration of the multinational maritime exercise BALTOPS 2016. While the exercise is being led by the U.S. Navy, the United States Air Force is working in a joint environment to accomplish exercise goals and bolster partner relations. U.S. Air Force assets include KC-135 Stratotankers from the 100th Air Refueling Wing RAF Mildenhall and 434th Air Refueling Wing Grissom Air Reserve Base, Indiana, showcasing total force integration capabilities. The KC-135's mission is to provide dynamic air refueling for U.S. and Allied aircraft involved in operations. Air Force Reserve KC-135 pilot Major Micah Jones says building effective communication between allies and partners is a vital part of refueling operation and exercise success.
I talked to Polish fighter pilots on the radio, talked about the kind of brevity in the terms that we use when it comes down to getting fuel off the aircraft, and they were able to see the way that we communicate and the way that we fly. That's about as important as it gets when it comes to extending their ability to have the tactical reach they need to have as well to accomplish the mission.
BALTOPS 2016 ensures regional security, enhances flexibility and interoperability, and demonstrates the resolve of allied and partner forces to defend the Baltic region. From Powidz Air Base, Poland, I'm Staff Sergeant Nathan Tucker.